Hi, and welcome back, everybody. Hope you all had a fantastic day out there. We've got an awesome video for you here today. All I ever ask is if you like talking about XRP and XLM, drop an X in the comment section below, click the like button so we know, and of course, share the content so others around the world know exactly what is happening in this digital revolution. Starting off with this tweet, Nick Crypto Crusader put this out. I like Nick. Give him a follow and subscribe to his YouTube channel. Puts out some really good content. Says, unless XRP loses its 62-cent level, it looks primed for another major run. It has just been ranging sideways at this point, and we know the longer the consolidation, well, you get it. I'm expecting $1 plus to happen on the next run up. Remember, summer is usually boring. Talking a little bit more about price. Look, XRP, 3 billion with a B volume surge paints an interesting picture. And I want to come down to this part where it talks about whale movements. Large holders, often termed whales, can have a profound impact on trading volumes. Their decision to move vast quantities of XRP between wallets or exchanges, even without selling, can spike trading volumes. A massive transaction by a few significant holders can easily distort volume data. And then finally, look at this part right here. Preparatory phase. Sometimes a massive volume surge can act as a precursor to a significant price action. Traders and investors should closely monitor the market for any signals that this volume might be the calm before the storm, indicating a potential breakout in either direction. So we know it has been confirmed institutional investors continue to bet big on XRP following the Ripple's partial SEC win. We know that with the amount of volume coming in, 3 billion, we've got whales playing around, keeping the price consolidated. But all indicators are pointing towards another big breakout in one of two directions. Now, this was put out today. Ripple, a real-time gross settlement system, has successfully built a global payment ecosystem within the XRP cryptocurrency at its core. Volante Technologies, who are they? They are one of the biggest, if not biggest, providers for FedNow. They are also a customer of Ripple. What's the difference between FRB services, FedNow, and CBDCs? Our latest blog takes a deep dive into the future of digital payments. I'm not going to go through that, but I did want to show you this. This was put out today by Volante, and they said the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies has also accelerated innovation in cross-border payments. For example, Ripple, a real-time gross settlement system, has successfully built a global payment ecosystem within the XRP cryptocurrency at its core. Could it not be more in front of our faces? I know Digital Perspectives talked about this today, said this is adoption happening in front of our faces today. When we talk about Ripple, I mean, how could you not be bullish on a company like this that has this amount of partnerships, massive corporation partnerships, international banks all over the globe ready to flip that switch? What happened today? SBF is going back to jail. He has been indicted. Why? Because he is a crook that took over $100 million in campaign contributions, gave them to Democrats and Republicans to seek and influence in cryptocurrency regulation. You think that this system is not rigged? Think again. You think Gary Gensler, who's had several meetings with Mr. Samuel Bankman-Fried, think again. It is a very corrupt system. We have to stay strong, and we have to wait for this regulation, everything to unfold and the market to flip so we can get those life-changing gains. Now, Stellar's been extremely quiet, right? But they are a sleeping giant. I talked about this last week. They have not really put any big news out. They said today they're welcoming a new managing director from Techstars, Teresa Martinez, a Latin investor and founder, managing director, right? She'll be speaking at Meridian just a couple weeks away. Fully expect big announcements happening at Meridian. So that is what I believe we are waiting on. But look, Stellar is an interesting one. You know, with Ripple, you hear about them every single day, what they're doing with partnerships, how they are fighting back and trying to get regulation clarity. Stellar sits in the back scenes, but boom, they drop bombs like it's hot. They will keep saying XRP is a scam until it starts ripping past all-time highs, says Crypto Mason. I couldn't agree more. I like what he has to say here, because as we are doing this consolidation sideways training, just like always, right? Since the beginning of time, they're saying XRP is a scam. Even after we have clarity, regulatory clarity, and we know by law XRP is not a security, people still calling it a scam. But eventually it's going to be too late for them to get in. And that's why I say I cannot judge other influencers for saying prepare. And I say, I've said it in the past myself as well, because you can say it until you're blue in the face, but people still won't do it. Some will, and look, it's never financial advice, but you can either be prepared for the next bull cycle, or you can sit on the sidelines and watch the rest get rich. Lastly, I want to talk about this. This is straight off JP Morgan's website. It has Ripple on here for cross-border payment infrastructure. Intended use cryptocurrency XRP for settlement instrument. And then right here it shows high volatility of XRP leading to limited willingness from banks using it to facilitate payments. What they're talking about here, the high volatility because low price. What happens when the price skyrockets? They've talked about this in the past, how they need a stable price. A stable coin is going to be a high value coin. That's when you're going to see banks start moving this XRP, and you are going to have people ask you, you mean the bridge asset that the major institutions are using, that the international banks are using to facilitate payments? I couldn't be more excited about this market. Let me know if you are as well. Drop a comment in the section below. Drop those X's, of course. Click the like button. Share the content. And I'll see you all in the next video.